11 p.m. Wednesday the 27th, and Dakota has not left me alone for more than a minute the whole day. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. What do you want? What do you want? Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Dakota, give me a paw. Give me a paw. Dakota. Sit. Paw. There you go.
Where's Tom?
Justin Manarino, Wednesday, November 27th.
What are these?
Little allergies.
Which one's yours?
Let me see.
What's yours?
Close up of the ring. That's mine.
Both of these are Serena's?
Yep. Wedding ring and engagement ring.
Which one's which?
The one with diamonds in it?
This one is what?
That's wedding.
Wedding? Is this real diamond?
That is, yep, engagement.
Did you get this as a package or separately?
Separate.
Really?
Yeah. Hey. Okay, here we are, Thanksgiving Day, and Dakota still following me around. Right, Dakota? It's funny, this video is gonna be funny. Hey, Dakota. This is Serena Quincy. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, a little scared.
Hey, Pops.
Hey, Joss. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, Ian. Where's the bucket?
And out goes Dakota. I'll take some more video later. Serene, happy Thanksgiving to everybody.
Stop taking me. Happy Thanksgiving.
There's Dakota again. This time outside our window. And there's Serena again.
Oops, doesn't open anymore.
If he doesn't follow us in, he'll... Dakota! If he's not in the room with us, he's nearby.
Don't take me again.
Oh, it's Serena again. Let me just wander inside real slow.
Oh, jeez. They put a house in the bottom. Their house already built since like July.
Hey, Matt. What's going on? Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you.
But,
All right, Johnny.
From New Jersey.
Yeah, Lauren.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Let me get the turkey.
Cooking.
Hey, Laura.
Justin, come here.
And Cynthia.
My first holiday in
Good quality turkey.
Yes, it is.
What?
Close up of Just.
Alright,
Close up of Lauren. How you feeling, Laura?
Anthony, you're like, I hate my face. This was like 30 degrees.
This is the house. This is the neighborhood.
Where's the cows?
That's an empty lot. Cows are on that bend. I got them on the video ready. That's a new house being built. People across the street. Actually, there's no mountain view here. A little one back there. Another mountain view back there. I'm getting towards the sun, so I'm going to shut this off. Get over there.
Oh, Anthony, please, that camera already.
Okay, little
Your wife said to put it away.
little shot of the dim table before.
Sure, the ham. And then you can sit down.
Okay, coming to the kitchen.
Hi, Aunt.
A close up of the back of your head.
Anthony, no one wants to see that.
Close
Get the
up.
dog
of
on tape.
Where's the dog? I get him on the tape a lot. Hey. Dakota, he has another dog in the neighborhood, and he doesn't like that. Thanksgiving Day. There's Lauren. Lauren got a little meatloaf in her hands there. Okay, Lauren put the meatloaf on the table.
Meatloaf, that's bread.
What's that? Spam?
This? Spam. Ham. I'm taking the clove out of the ham.
Okay.
So you're going to have to teach him a lot about cooking.
Hey, Matt. Where's Johnny? There he is. Hey, Johnny. How you doing there? Have your autograph or?
Yeah, no autographs, not yet.
Not yet? A little too early?
Yeah, after dinner. After a nice turkey. Mara, time to put that camera away.
Okay, this is Jonathan Manarino. Any autographs yet or not yet?
Yeah, you got a pen?
No, I don't. That's Justin. That is Angela, right? Correct?
Yep.
Okay, not looking at the camera. Lauren, a little shy today.
Angela's
Hi, Anthony.
Serena, that's Serena.
Hi again.
That's my turkey.
And she's sitting there like this.
That's the stovetop. Just stovetop?
No, my mom made that handmade.
Oh, handmade stuffing.
Stop.
I think that's
Thank you,
yams.
Matthew.
Matthew, can you get the mustard?
That's
please?
Matthew serving us some.
Look at Matthew's mittens.
Matt, let me see the mittens. All right, looks all right. Somebody's a little sick.
Get that on film.
Justin's working out heavy lately.
Get this on film, me for the hand.
All right. Okay.
Butterfly, it's the Tootsie Roll.
Did I miss anything? I missed the dog. Hey. Uncle Anthony, how you doing there?
How are you?
All right. Filming here. And Cynthia's over there with the. What do we got over there? Spam?
Buy me some time to see
A little spam.
This is real
That's-
class.
that's,
and serving in my
Homemade gravy or?
homemade. Everything is homemade,
Okay.
man.
Except for the stovetop.
That's not stove top. I made that.
Oh, okay.
Fix. Don't touch anything.
Okay. I think I'll shut this off for now.
Stove top.
Let me just get one more shot.
Calling my name. I hear everything, right?
Everybody's in the video except me. Okay, some 2 hours later, we're still here.
Sure.
Now it's dessert time. Little jello. It wasn't too nice there. We got the classic nuts. And we got some homemade apple pie.
She calls you two beautiful people.
Hey, Just, how you doing today?
Pretty good. How are you, man?
Feeling a little better?
That's my cup, dude.
It's all right, John. You're gonna break it.
A little more video.
Coffee?
John made this.
Who's having coffee?
The video of the video.
There's the video of the video, that's right.
Reported to have married a princess from a neighboring country. Whereas she become the king and the princess.
Hey, Laura, how you feeling over there? Thanksgiving night. Looks like the turkey got to you.
The story has
A little tired? A little too much turkey?
They were married. It was necessary for the king to lead his armies into battle.
Did you make up your vows or?
No. He did come out. Nope.
You're lucky Anthony got there.
What are you doing, Dakota?
If he would have had to make up his vows.
Alright. Alright.
Thank you, Serena.
Hey, Johnny, how you feeling?
These are, you know, those.
Video camera, not a regular camera.
This is the newlyweds in Gilbert, Arizona.
Dog here too.
And the dog. The newlyweds and the dog. See, that's the niblet there.
That's him. Come here. Come here.
That's Serena.
He
Anthony.
was dorky back then.
Yes, he was a kid.
Justin.
Dorky.
That's Mommy.
Hi, happy Thanksgiving.
Little old Lauren there.
Lauren is hiding her face because she doesn't want anybody to see her on the video. Let me taste one of those cookies. How did it taste?
Hey, puppy. That's the cold.
Watch it catch for the dog.
I had two of them. I had
All right.
cream on the pie.
Sort of.
Try to get it, want to get it again?
Okay, watch this.
Catch for the dog. Up.
Good.
Hello. Happy Thanksgiving.
That's Justin and my father, Anthony.
Is that really a picture? Were you really there? Or was that put that in?
They're in the kitchen discussing God knows what.
Discussing how Jonathan was dope.
This is Matthew Giro, my ex-neighbor, best friend.
No, that's Christian.
Talking to his honey, Lisa.
Talking to a nice female who, you know.
She's hair?
Likes me.
No, I don't know. Yay. Those suits are killing me. They wear little ruffles.
Do the Jamie smile. It's a little Justin for you.
10 pictures.
The table on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Like I told you why in the first place.
Little leftovers.
Pumpkin pie, never touched.
Why? Your mother said,
Never touched by human
Sid,
hands.
make sure Matthew gets a throwaway
Figs.
camera. This
Fig
would not.
That's me.
No, it wasn't.
Napkins,
Ben.
nicely folded by
How much?
Us.
by
Cheapest
myself,
one was like
Jonathan,
10
and Uncle
bucks.
Anthony.
And Justin.
They're $8
And
in
Justin.
Walmart.
Sorry about that, buddy.
That's Lauren right there. I got her finally. Matt, look at Matthew.
Actually, you know what these are?
Thanksgiving.
No custard.
Yeah, 1996 Thanksgiving in Gilbert, Arizona. This is the dessert part. This is the best part of the kiwi. Thank you. That's Mike Lubin. That's his friend Dan. And that's his brother Jimmy.
How to eat that. A lot of things. We used to make little cheesecake.
Yeah, that's Mike's brother, twin brother.
Now I don't do any of this.
I'll give you a matches for this.
That's Serena.